Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cozcreations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I came in here to do a little bit of collage and I got this beautiful rice paper from joggles.com and I just love all the colors in there. So what I did was I picked out a palette. My palette consists of transparent red oxide, golden fluids in the violet oxide. What else do we have here? Golden fluids in the gold fine, golden fluids in the bronze. We also have some golden fluids in the turquoise and some golden fluids in the Viridian Green Hue. All the colors that are in this little painting right here. And then I also used some Amsterdam titanium light buff to pick up this kind of creamy color. And I made some jelly prints. And some of them turned out lovely. Some of them I love. Some of them I did just to pick up these colors. Some of them are just okay, but all of my colors that are in this rice paper are over here. And when you're doing collage work, it's okay if the prints aren't 100% beautiful because I tear them and I attach them to this little 12 by 12 wood cradle board using Gel Gloss Medium just to make a lovely collage. And then sometimes I add some cozo papers, some textures and some other things. So that's what I'm here to play with. This is my inspiration, joggles.com, Elizabeth St. Hilaire rice paper. Lots of pretty prints, and this is just gorgeous. So I'm here to fiddle with this. I'm going to get my Gel Gloss Medium out, my little paintbrush, and I'm going to start ripping away to make a fun and whimsical collage. I'm glad you guys are here. Let's get busy.
I've been waiting around for you. Why did you take so long to come to me? Maybe you were waiting around for me too. So I feel you're some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on clouds. in cloud nine.